Hi, good afternoon everyone, dear students and parents. Today we are going to third video class for 9th standard about the topic number systems. So in the previous classes we discussed about number system, types of number system and irrational number. So in this class we are going to about the irrational number, how to define the irrational number and how to solve some irrational number located on the number line. So let us discuss in this third video class. Dear children, what is irrational number? So I told in previous class what is a rational number. So rational number, we know that which any number expressed in form of p by q. Do you understand? P by q. Here p and q are two integers, but q not equal to 0. So this is we express in form of p by q. So that's why what we call this one rational number. So in this class we are going to irrational number. Irrational number. Irrational number. So what is irrational number? So same which any number, rational number, we cannot be expressed in form of p by q. We cannot be expressed in form of p by q. But same p and q are two positive or negative integers, but in q equal to 0. This is form of what we call irrational number. Do you understand, dear children? What is the p by q form? This is irrational form. So example 3 by 4, 5 by 6, etc. etc. So and root 2, root 3, root 5, etc. etc. Which any number is cannot express in form of p by q. Which any number, that number we cannot express in form of p by q. Such types of number what we call, dear children, irrational number. So now we go into such types of irrational number, how to locate on the number line. So this is very important in regarding your online examination purpose. So you understand carefully. Example, locate root 2 on the number line. Root 2 on number line. So we know that still, and we learnt in previous section or previous class, natural number or integers, how to locate on the number line. Do you studied in 8th standard, 7th standard, 6th standard? But this types of irrational number, how to locate on this number line? So now let us discuss in this video class. So draw the number line, locate 0 and mark 1 unit. You take your measurement scale here. Students, take the scale value. This is 1 unit. You call to 1 unit. And draw the same 1 unit perpendicular to this one. So this is also 1 unit and you give the label A. And this one O, this is B. Okay. Then you draw this according to the right angle. So by using your compass, and measure this one OA. So this OA you take measure. So this is what we call, this is root 2. That's all, dear students. Once again you observe here. First you draw the number line xy, and you mark the middle of the number line xy 0 or O, it calls 0 or O, and mark 1 unit according to your scale value. According to your scale value, mark the 1 unit, then you call this point D. Or so what you should take the value of OB, the same length, there is no change at all. You mark AB. You mark AB or you measure the AB value. After this step, you take your compass, measure O, A and draw this like this. You draw a, by using your compass, draw or drag the line like this. This line when the touch, that is root 2. Do you understand? Yes. And we are going to third one. Okay. Third one. Locate root 3 on number line. So this is root 2. And second one root 3. Okay. We know that how to locate the root 2 on the number line. But how you to locate root 3 on the number line? Yes, the same procedure. Draw the number line x, y, and mark the middle of 0 or O and mark 2 units. 1 and 2. This is 1, this is 2. Okay. So same steps here also you follow here. 0 to B. 0 to B. What should take the length? The same length you take here AB. AB. And draw the hypotenuse side of OB and mark root 2. You follow the, what you should follow the root 2. Root 2 irrational number. You say follow here. But additional step is there. That is only one additional step is there for root 3. That is what you take the perpendicular line same unit. What you should take the OB length 1 unit, and also you should take the length AB 1 unit, and further is also take the 1 unit C. And you draw the hypotenuse side OC. And what you should take the OC value, you take by using compass with pencil and drag the line to XY like this. You don't do like without any geometrical instruments. You do along with geometrical instrument. You don't forget here, students. Then what you should take the OC value, that OC value drag the line by using compass with pencil like this to the up to XY number line. So this is root 3. Do you understand? So still we know that how to locate the root 2, how to locate the root 3 on number line. Then third one, root 4. You know that already. Root 4 is the square number, square root. What is the square root of 4? 2. So, yes, the same. Root 4 is also we consider as irrational number. That irrational number we locate on the number line. So, same 0, 1 unit, 2 unit. This is called A, and this one unit is B. And take the same steps for how to locate the root 2, and same procedure, same steps you follow here. OB to drag the line, this is root 2, and B to C, this is root 3, and last one step is root 4. So further you take the perpendicular, means 90 degree. You don't bother about this perpendicular. What is perpendicular? You don't do think negatively. Perpendicular, it means what? Perpendicular is nothing but what? Equal to 90 degree. So OC perpendicular BC, so it is equal to 90 degree. Then you draw the hypotenuse side. What you should take the D value? The same procedure here we follow by using compass and pencil. So this is equal to 2. Root 2 or root 4. Root 4 is equal to what? 2. This 2 is located on the number line. Understand here, children? Okay. In your exercise is given one more than irrational number root 5. That root 5 is take homework and serve and come to school and submit your mathematics teacher and take a signature for that homework. Do you understand? Okay. So next one topic, dear children, real numbers and their decimal expansion. And their decimal expansion. Decimal expansion. It is very important in this number system because some many children are still know that about the decimal. So how to write the decimal number, how to put the point, decimal point. So those who are weak knowledge in this topic, so it is little bit difficult to understand. So therefore find the decimal expansion of 10 by 3. See children. Here no any make complication, just those who know the division, it is very easy. 10 by 3, 10 is divided by 3, 10 divided by 3, 3 3s are what? 9. What is the remainder? 1. See here, 1 is remainder, 3 is 10 is dividend, 3 is divisor, 3 is what? Quotient. So here 3 quotient, 3 divisor, 10 dividend, then 1 is what? Remainder. So this relations you know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the relation of the division. This relation is going to in 10th standard also. That is we call in 10th standard polynomial. That in the 10th standard the same aspects were to use for polynomial chapter. So therefore, you understand here only, means in 9th standard. So here, 10 by 3, 10 is divided by 3, 3 3s are 9, we get what remainder? 1. So 1 is again divide is possible as when you have to put the decimal point, you take the 0, then 1 is become 10. Understand? 3, again 1, it become 10, 3 3s are 9. Again, we want remainder 1. Again take 0. 10 3 3s are 9. Again. So still is going to endless. So therefore, dear children, what is its decimal expansions of 10 by 3? Is equal to 3.33. 3.33 is continue. This the types of decimal expansions what we call recurring number. What we call recurring number, which decimal expansions without have endless. There is no any end. There is no any end for remainder. That is what we call here, students, recurring number. You know that these types of number we should call recurring number. Next one, 7 by 8. 1 by 7. 7 by 8. See here. 7 is divided by 8. 7 divided by 8. 7 is not divided by the 8. So therefore, take the point, decimal point and put 0. Then 7 becomes 70. Right? So 70, 8 is a 64. 8 is a 64. Remainder is what? 6. Remainder, we want to remainder how much? 6. So that 6 it become 0, 60. Then 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. Then remainder is what? Again 4. Then it 40. 40. Then 40. 8. 8 4s are 24. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 8 5s are 40. 8 5 is 40. Remainder 0. See here. So in this decimal expansion, we get the last one is remainder. This there is no any end. It is have for end. Here stop. The decimal expansion we have to completely stop here because finally we get the remainder is 0. So therefore this types of decimal expansion what we call non-recurring decimal expansion. Do you understand dear children? Here I have one major difference between them, recurring and non-recurring. Which numbers we have to get with the remainder is the end, that is recurring. Which number does not end, the types of number we call non-recurring numbers. This is one of the major difference between recurring and non-recurring decimal numbers. Okay. So last one is 1 by 7. 1 by 7. So 1 is cannot divide by 7. 1 is cannot divide by 7. Take the decimal point 0. Take 0. 1 is become 10. Then you divide 7 ones are 7. Remainder is 3. 3 it become 30. 7 8 7 4s are 28. Remainder is 2. Then it become 20. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 6. So like this is going to endless remainder. This types of number what we call non-recurring decimal expansion. Do you understand dear children? What is difference between decimal and recurring decimal and non-recurring decimal expansion? So you understand, you study well. Once again, along with your textbooks, if you have any doubts, you send through your 9th standard WhatsApp group. If you have any doubt, then after that one I will clear and you send the answer. Understand dear children? Okay. So now you take the homework regarding this one. Homework. So in this video class we have to learn how to locate the number line, irrational number on the number line. So here we solve 3 aspects, 1, root 2, root 3, root 4. So next one you take homework. Locate root 5 on a number line. Second question, find decimal expansion. Find decimal expansions of 1 by 3, A, B 8 by 5, C 1 by 9. Here students, you take 3, 1 by 3, 8 by 5, 1 by 9, you find the decimal expansion for 3. And the second question, how to locate the root 5 on a number line. So these two questions you take for homework. You do it. If you have any doubts, you send through your next time WhatsApp group. After that, I will clear that. Thank you, dear children.